Russia has a storied history of military aviation. From World War I biplanes to Cold War jets, Russian aircraft have always been formidable. The roar of Russian engines has echoed through the skies for over a century. The early Soviet Union quickly recognized the importance of air power. They poured resources into research, determined to challenge established aerial powers. This commitment led to the birth of legendary design bureaus like MiG and Sukhoi. These pioneers weren't afraid to push boundaries. They embraced radical designs, seeking an edge in aerial warfare. The results were formidable and aesthetically striking aircraft. Their sleek silhouettes cut through the sky like birds of prey. Early Soviet jets laid the foundation for modern Russian aerospace. Lessons from early successes shaped iconic fighter jets. The MiG-29, a maneuverable masterpiece, stands as a testament. The Su-27, a heavyweight brawler, dominates any airspace. These aircraft form the backbone of the modern Russian Air Force. The Su-57 embodies modern Russian military aviation aspirations. This fifth-generation stealth fighter is a technological marvel. It represents Russia's determination to remain at the forefront. These aircraft are formidable predators, embodying Russian aviation's legacy. The story of Russian fighter jets is one of constant evolution. From the MiG-15 to the Su-57, they embody ambition and innovation. The emergence of jet aircraft after World War II revolutionized aerial warfare. In the Korean War, the Soviet Union unleashed the MiG-15. This sleek, swept-wing fighter jet was a game-changer. Its appearance over Korea sent shockwaves through UN forces. The MiG-15 was a potent symbol of Soviet technological prowess. Its powerful engine gave it exceptional speed and climb rate. The MiG-15's appearance marked a new era in jet fighter combat. It proved to be a capable dogfighter, its cannons tearing through the skies. American pilots found themselves in fierce duels with the agile MiG-15S. The skies over Korea became a proving ground for jet technology. The MiG-15 quickly earned a fearsome reputation among UN pilots. The MiG-15 pilots were eager to test their mettle against the best. The MiG-15's impact extended far beyond Korea. It served as a reminder of Soviet military aviation prowess. The MiG-15's performance prompted a frantic arms race. Its legacy influenced generations of Soviet and Russian fighter jets. The Soviet Union continued to push fighter aircraft design boundaries. The MiG-21 became one of the most iconic supersonic jets. It was a testament to the Soviet Union's commitment to a large, advanced air force. Designed as a high-speed interceptor, the MiG-21 was a radical departure. Its delta-wing design and powerful engine allowed it to reach Mach 2. The MiG-21 was a symbol of Soviet ambition and engineering prowess. Its sleek, swept-back wings embodied speed. The MiG-21's simplicity was one of its greatest strengths. It was easy to manufacture and maintain, ideal for export. The MiG-21 was rugged and reliable, capable of operating from austere airfields. It saw extensive combat service in numerous conflicts. Its versatility and affordability made it a popular choice. The MiG-21 became a symbol of Soviet military might. Its distinctive delta wing was recognizable worldwide. Early Soviet jets like the MiG-15 and MiG-21 had a global impact. They played a pivotal role in shaping the Cold War balance of power. The proliferation of Soviet jets shifted the balance in many regions. The MiG-15's performance in Korea proved Soviet aviation prowess. The MiG-21 solidified this reputation. These aircraft became symbols of Soviet support for communist nations. The export of Soviet jets impacted Air Force development worldwide. Many nations turned to the Soviet Union for advanced fighter jets. This led to training programs and support networks. The MiG-21 became a ubiquitous presence in air forces globally. The widespread adoption of Soviet jets leveled the playing field. Early Soviet jets were instruments of change. They shaped the geopolitical landscape and influenced history. The 1970s saw the Cold War in a tense stalemate. The MiG-25, known as the Foxbat, emerged from the Soviet Union. It was a statement of intent, challenging U.S. supremacy. The MiG-25 was a technological marvel. Designed as a high-speed, high-altitude interceptor, it was built for speed. Its massive engines propelled it to speeds exceeding Mach 3. This made it one of the fastest jet aircraft ever built. The MiG-25 was a radical departure from previous designs. Its sleek stainless steel fuselage gave it a futuristic appearance. The Foxbat's capabilities shocked Western intelligence. It became legendary for its blistering speed. The MiG-25 was also a capable reconnaissance platform. Equipped with powerful radar and cameras, it gathered vital intelligence. The data provided invaluable insights into enemy capabilities. The MiG-25's impact forced the West to rethink Soviet technology. The Su-27, codenamed Flanker, was a true air superiority fighter. It was a departure from the brute force approach of the MiG-25. The Su-27 was a masterpiece of aerodynamic design. Its blended wing-body fuselage gave it exceptional maneuverability. The Su-27 could outmaneuver and outclass its opponents. It was designed for the best pilots to exploit its potential. The Su-27's advanced fly-by-wire control system was revolutionary. It allowed maneuvers impossible with conventional controls. The Su-27's arrival marked a turning point in air combat. It set a new standard for air superiority fighters. The Su-27 became the backbone of the Russian Air Force. It was a symbol of national pride and Soviet aviation legacy. The MiG-29, known as the Fulcrum, was a versatile fighter jet. It was a departure from the MiG-25's focus on speed. The MiG-29 was optimized for agility and close-in dogfighting. Its powerful engines gave it an impressive thrust-to-weight ratio. The MiG-29 was a pilot's aircraft, responding instantly to controls. It was a true multi-role fighter, capable of various missions. Its versatility and low cost made it attractive to many nations. The MiG-29 was designed to be a workhorse operating from austere airfields. The MiG-29's arrival shocked Western air forces. The Soviet Union was now seeking to surpass Western technology. The Fulcrum's agility, firepower, and affordability made it a serious threat. It was a testament to the Mikoyan Design Bureau's legacy. The MiG-25, Su-27, and MiG-29 represented the pinnacle of Soviet fighter jet design. They were symbols of national pride and Soviet determination. These aircraft shaped the future of military aviation. The competition between the Soviet Union and the West pushed advancements. This arms race resulted in iconic and influential fighter jets. The legacy of this era is still felt today. Modern fighter jet designs build upon these foundations. The lessons learned from these aircraft proved invaluable. The MiG-25's capabilities, the Su-27's maneuverability, and the MiG-29's versatility influenced future designs. The fall of the Soviet Union marked a new chapter. These aircraft were not consigned to history. They found new life in a resurgent Russia. Section 1. Rising from the Ashes. The evolution continues. Emerging from the Soviet Union's collapse, Russia's military faced an uncertain future. Yet, innovation in fighter jets persisted. The aerospace industry, though battered, was not broken. It had a legacy of excellence and determination. MiG and Sukhoi design bureaus lived on. They continued to push boundaries. Adapting to new challenges, they delivered cutting-edge aircraft. Russia's fighter jets evolved with the changing world. Gone were the days of massive Cold War-era production. The focus shifted to quality over quantity. Developing multi-role aircraft became the priority. Leveraging designs and advanced technologies was key. A new generation of fighter jets emerged. These jets represented a new chapter in Russian aviation. Russia was back, ready to challenge the established order. Among the first of these new-age fighters to take to the skies was the Sukhoi Su-35, an aircraft that embodied the evolutionary approach of the Russian aerospace industry. Dubbed the superflanker by Western analysts, the Su-35 was a testament to the philosophy of refining and enhancing proven designs rather than starting from scratch. At the heart of the Su-35's capabilities was its revolutionary thrust vectoring system. The Su-35 could change direction on a dime, pirouette in mid-air. This agility gave it an unparalleled advantage in close-quarters combat. It was a true multi-role platform, and weapon systems that allowed it to dominate in any combat scenario, capable of projecting power and ensuring air superiority in any theater of operations. The superflanker was not just an upgrade, It was a statement of intent, a promise of even more advanced aircraft to come. While the Su-35 showcased Russia's ability to breathe new life into existing designs, the Sukhoi Su-57 represented a bold leap into the future of air combat. Known to NATO as the Felon, the Su-57 was Russia's answer to the American F-22 Raptor, a fifth-generation stealth fighter designed to dominate the skies. It was a technological tour de force, a testament to Russia's determination to remain at the forefront of military aviation. The Su-57's arrival sent shockwaves through the global defense community. It was a clear indication that Russia was not content with simply playing catch-up. The Felon was a game-changer, heralding a new era of aerial warfare. The development of the Su-35 and Su-57 marked a turning point in Russian military aviation. Recognizing the need for continuous improvement, Russia embarked on an ambitious program of upgrades and modernization. This ensured older aircraft like the MiG-29 and Su-27 remained relevant. Upgrades included new radar systems, electronic countermeasures, and precision-guided munitions. This approach allowed Russia to maintain a capable air force without exorbitant costs. The story of Russian fighter jets is one of constant evolution and excellence. When comparing Russian fighter jets to their Western counterparts, such as the American F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning II, and the Eurofighter Typhoon, it becomes immediately apparent that these aircraft are products of vastly different design philosophies. These differences in approach stem from distinct operational doctrines, technological capabilities, and strategic priorities, resulting in aircraft that excel in different aspects of aerial warfare. Western fighter jets, particularly those developed in the United States, often prioritize stealth technology and sensor fusion as their cornerstones. The F-22 and F-35, for example, are designed to minimize their radar and infrared signatures, making them incredibly difficult to detect and track. They rely heavily on advanced sensors and data networking to provide pilots with a comprehensive view of the battlefield, allowing them to engage targets from afar with precision-guided munitions. This emphasis on stealth and long-range engagement reflects a strategic focus on maintaining air superiority through technological dominance. Russian fighter jets, on the other hand, tend to prioritize raw performance, maneuverability, and affordability. While not neglecting stealth entirely, Russian designers often prioritize other factors, such as speed, agility, and the ability to engage in close-quarters dogfights. This reflects a different set of operational priorities, one that emphasizes the importance of pilot skill, tactical flexibility, and the ability to adapt to rapidly changing combat situations. These differing design philosophies are evident in the very appearance of these aircraft. Western stealth fighters, with their blended wing-body fuselages and internal weapons bays, often appear futuristic and otherworldly. Russian fighters, on the other hand, tend to retain a more traditional aerodynamic layout, emphasizing maneuverability and high-speed performance. These contrasting approaches highlight the fundamental differences in how these nations view the future of air warfare. One of the most striking differences between Russian and Western fighter jets lies in their approach to air-to-air combat. Western fighters prioritize beyond visual range engagements, relying on powerful radars and long-range missiles. This reflects a belief that future air battles will be won at long distances. Russian jets emphasize maneuverability and close-in dogfighting skills. This reflects a belief that close-quarters combat remains crucial. Russian and Western fighter jets differ significantly in cost. Western jets, like the F-35, are extremely expensive. High costs limit their numbers and impact force structure. Russian jets are more affordable and simpler in design. This allows Russia to field a larger fleet. Their affordability attracts international customers. Countries with limited budgets often choose Russian jets. As the global landscape of air power evolves, Russia finds itself at a crossroads. The Sukhoi Su-75 Checkmate, a fifth-generation fighter jet, highlights this shift. Unveiled at the 2021 MAX Air Show, it aims to capture the global fighter jet market. Its sleek design and advanced capabilities have turned heads internationally. The Su-75's success could pave the way for a new era of Russian aerospace exports. Beyond traditional fighter jets, Russia is investing in future aerial warfare technologies. AI, drone swarms, and hypersonic weapons are key innovations. These technologies promise to transform the battlefield, blurring lines between manned and unmanned systems. Russia's AI-powered drone swarms and hypersonic weapons could revolutionize air combat and global security. The evolution of Russian fighter jets showcases the nation's ambition and resilience. From revolution to modern times, Russia remains a leading power in military aviation. Despite sanctions and competition, Russia innovates and delivers capable aircraft. The Su-35 and Su-57 highlight Russia's commitment to air power. These jets represent cutting-edge technology and national pride. Russia's Air Force remains a potent and advanced force. The eagles of Russian aviation will continue to soar. The skies will continue to be a stage for competition, innovation, and aerial dominance. Russia's aviation excellence will remain key in this drama. Speed, stealth, and firepower will shape its fighter jets. AI, drones, and hypersonic weapons present new challenges. These technologies could revolutionize air combat. Russia's balance of advancements and stability will define its future. The story of Russian fighter jets is far from over. It will be written in the roar of jet engines. The world will watch as Russia's eagles take flight. The future of Russian aviation is full of possibilities. The wings of the Russian bear will continue to cast a long shadow.